Hello friends, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. So Diwali is coming up. I'm sure you must have planned a lot of goodies for Diwali as always. I'm also sharing a Diwali recipe with you. Let's make Varo, which is Sindhi Pista Badam Chikki. Traditionally we make this every Diwali and share it with our friends and relatives. We also use this for Lakshmi Pujan. So last time I had made Varo, which was a different version. It was made with sliced dry fruits, pistachios and almonds, and we roll out the chikki and that's very thin. Now this is a different version. We are going to make it with whole dry fruits, and the dry fruits have to remain intact, so we cannot roll this out, and this is made in a different way. So check it out how to make this different version of Varo with the whole dry fruits. You can also probably try it out this Diwali. So shall we proceed? Here are the ingredients. We have taken desi ghee. We'll use it as required to set the Varo and make it. And then mixed dry fruits, 1 cup. I have taken cashew nuts, almonds and pistachios equal quantity, and 1 cup of sugar, 2 to 3 pinches of saffron, half teaspoon of crushed cardamom seeds, 1 tablespoon of whole wheat flour, 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds or khaskhas, 1 tablespoon of dried rose petal. Now let's proceed. First we are going to dry roast the poppy seeds. Do this on low flame so that they don't become dark in color. Toss them a bit. Remove them in a plate and set them aside. Now roast the dry fruits. Stir them continuously for a couple of minutes so that they become nice and crispy. Keep adjusting the flame in between until you see the color is changing and you get a nice aroma. Remove them also and set aside. Now we will fry the whole wheat flour. Take 1 tablespoon of ghee and add the flour. Reduce the heat and continue to stir. Keep stirring until the color changes and you get a nice aroma, taking care that it doesn't become brown in color. Once you see the bubbles, it will be done fast. As soon as you get a nice aroma, switch off the gas. After switching off the gas, also continue to stir as the pan is still hot. Now set that aside. Take 2 plates like this, about half an inch deep. Pour 1 tablespoon of ghee in each of them and layer them well. Coat the plates and the edges very well. Now don't get scared looking at the quantity of ghee. All this will be removed after the Varo is set. We are just lining the plate so that the Varo sets well, and then the ghee will be melted and removed. So this is the way we set the thick Varo or chikki. The thin one is rolled out. This one is set this way because we cannot roll the whole dry fruits. Now in a heavy bottomed pan, melt the sugar. You can do on high heat in the beginning, later you can reduce it. But keep stirring it continuously. At no stage are you going to stop. You can see now the sugar is slowly melting. Now keep adding the ingredients one by one. First, I'm adding crushed cardamom seeds. Here goes the saffron. Continue to stir so that there are no lumps. And also the flame should be Adjust it from time to time. Now add about 1 tablespoon of ghee. Break the lumps while you are stirring. Saffron is leaving the color and flavors also. You can get the aroma of the cardamom seeds and saffron. Now add the poppy seeds. I am keeping some for garnishing. Take care that the sugar doesn't become dark brown in color, so keep adjusting the flame. As soon as it is hot, reduce it. Add some rose petals, also save them for garnishing as well. Now they are almost broken, all the lumps are gone. At this stage, you dip in the dry fruits and the wheat flour. With quick hands, stir continuously. Once the mixing is done, quickly we have to transfer it into the plate for setting. Now you can see even the color is perfect, right color, light brown. Now this is done. Switch off the gas and divide this mixture into both the thalis, the plates lined with ghee. If you don't have these plates, you can use cake molds also. Any shape, small or big as you desire. Spread them evenly with the spatula, level them. This sets very fast, so you have to be very quick. Now once this is done, you can garnish. Sprinkle crushed cardamom seeds, poppy seeds, dried rose petals on top. You can even sprinkle little saffron if you wish. After it is cooled, you can even garnish it with silver varq if you want. Garnishing is done. Now we'll set it aside for 5 minutes. Very quickly it sets. Once the texture is firm, you can drain out all the ghee. See, it comes out very easily. It's set perfectly well. We'll remove them in a plate, allow them to cool well. Once they are cool, we can wrap them up with a cling film. Perfect. It's come out very well. Lovely color. Texture is perfect. It's little thicker than the other chikki, but it's brittle and chewable because we added the flour to it. After they are cooled, you can wrap them up in the cling film. Garnishing with silver varq is entirely up to you. If you don't like, you can skip it. This is one of the goodies we make and distribute during Diwali to all our friends. You can start making them few days ahead and then wrap them up like this. They'll remain nice and crispy. In fact, if you wish, you can store each one individually in a Ziploc bag also to ensure that it is nice and crisp and doesn't lose the crispiness. So friends, do give it a try this Diwali, and it's very simple, not too difficult to make. Make it along with other goodies and enjoy it with your family and friends. Wish you all a happy Diwali in advance. Enjoy the festival of joy, festival of lights. May Goddess Lakshmi bless you all with good health, wealth and happiness. So stay tuned for more recipes. I shall get back again with lot of delicious recipes. I hope you are enjoying my videos. Do share them with your friends also. Have a nice day. Take care. If you are a new visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications about the new uploads. Here are some videos from the archives. Do check them out. We'll soon be back with another new recipe. Bye. Until then, have a nice day.